everyone, I'm Jackie Kellestein. I co-own Revolution Fitness in Dartmouth. This is our Rev Up Your Run series, and I'm here to talk about arm swing. I get asked about arm swing all the time, and I'm just going to talk about a few key items to think about. So you want to be at about a 90-degree flex, but you're soft in your elbows as well. Elbows are in. This is going to swing a little more fluid with your hips. And what about your hands? So they want to be soft. Clenching like this takes a ton of energy. Nice soft hands, you can think about gently holding about the size of an egg or a bill between your finger and forefinger. And for the swing itself, it should feel very natural, but if you want to break it down, if you think about the movement being a pull back, it's going to push forward naturally with your hips. So if you do want to think about a little pull back, it'll come back every step you take. And here's what not to do.